Hi guys, I moved all my Squishmallow plushies to my bedroom. Today we are going to be putting my fidgets and putties on here, like fidgets including poppets, fidget spinners, Rubik's cubes, and squishies. I might also be trying some candies because I had Easter today instead of tomorrow. But I have some squishies just as example, like this kind of squishy, this ball one. Then I have this green bunny squishy and this blue bunny squishy. And I also have some putties that we'll be putting on here. So I did not put my Squishmallow keychain keychain plushies in my room. I destroyed it just to make some videos. So yeah. Or whatever, we are going to clear out the bin just so we can get the fidgets and squishies and stuff out. So, I wish I could speed this up, but we do have a poppet. And we have another poppet down here. Okay, let's see what else we have, guys. Duke, hi. Yeah, we have a cupcake squishy that used to be a keychain. Yeah, don't mind that throw. The throw kind of messed up. Well, we have some more fidgets in here and squishies and stuff. And then we have this one that whoosh. Yeah, that was even perfect. Now we have a big Rubik's Cube and a poppet. And we have a unicorn squishy from last year at my grandma's house. The squishies I showed you are like this, but they're bunnies. These I got from my grandma's house on Easter last year. And then the bunny ones I got at the school today at the Easter egg hunt. This morning, the bunny ones. And then we have this ball squishy. I cut the net off, by the way. So let's see what. So we also have this bear squishy. So we're gonna throw him over there. Hi, Colleen, you're so cute. Now we have this poppet keychain that you can't even use anymore. Ow! Throw it. Okay. I know I have some more stuff. Yeah, because I have like these. What is these called? Oh no, I have enough. Here, I'll see what they're called because they're called squishy mushies and they're scented. These two don't really smell anymore. I had these since I lived at another house, which we made one video at the old house, which was the one my dad made of the fish tank. Well, we throw our mushy squishies over there, or whatever they're called. Then we have a small Rubik's Cube. We also have another poppet. It's a keychain. And we have a squishy meow. So cute. Oh my gosh! I forgot I had this. Aww. got my sister did that to me. So cute. Okay, let's just skip back to this. I'm gonna count this as a fidget because it's kind of satisfying. So yeah, I think we have a few more here. I don't know. We're just gonna clear out this whole entire bin. Yep, we have a Pop-It keychain. That's of a puppy. And we have another square Pop-It. That's also a keychain. We also have this. You're supposed to like not use it on yourself, but like do this and then it'll spin. And I do not think there's any more fidgets. That we have this is satisfying. We're gonna use this on there too, just to make some extra good decoration. That's the mess we made. Well, we're gonna take the fidgets out of here. I don't have very many of these. Like, that's not that many. So we're gonna take the Rubik's Cube, the green putty, the light blue putty, the dark blue putty, the rabbit Pop-It keychain. Oh yeah, and we also have this one. Then we have the yellow putty. I'm not even looking where I'm getting stuff at. Then we have the white putty, which kind of looks like peach, but it's white. And we have the pink putty. Hold on. Yep, we have all the putties. And we have all this stuff, so I think we're good to go. We have the two squishies, and we have the ball squishy. So yeah, I think it's time to get started. So now that we have everything, we're gonna start. And we're gonna start by putting the big Rubik's Cube on here. So, you're just gonna place it up here. We're also gonna place the small Rubik's Cube up here at the top. I don't know if you should do it right there or just place it next. I think I'm just gonna place it next to there. And then we have, let's do Pop-Its. We have one, so we have two Rubik's Cube. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. No, guys, look, this is so dumb. Well, we have 4. I know it. 5. Yep, I bet we're at 5. 5 Pop-Its. Okay. So now we're gonna put the blue square Pop-It up there, and I did not know that because I literally did not know. Then we're gonna place this our square one. I had a feeling it was stand, so I just decided to do it like that. And 1. We actually have 7 Pop-Its. I did not mean to do the 6, 7 meme. I did not mean to. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Pop-Its. And we're gonna do the butterfly one, the dog one, and I just remembered I have a Pop-It fidget spinner. Then we're going to do the cat. Can the cat stand? No, cat has to lay down. And then let's do the blue and pink one. And then last but not least, the rabbit. I can see what's going on up here. Cat climb. Oh, yep. Oh. Okay, kids at home, do not do that. And I'm being serious, kids at home, do not do that. That is super dangerous. And I just remembered we had the frog poppet. So I think we have like 8 poppets. Now we're gonna do squishies. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. By the way, I'm also going to put this LOL in the collection because as you can see, this is kind of like a lava lamp. This one's more like a lava lamp. Like, look, it's kind of like a lava lamp. So we're also going to have that guy as the... I know this is supposed to be Fidgets and Putty, but I'm just changing it a little bit. We're going to put the squishies up there. Let's put the cupcake squishy, the cow squishy, the cat, I think, squishy, and the other cow squishy. This cow and this cow are a different series, I think. Then let's place the meow and the gummy bear. And we have a few more squishies left. Let's place the little squishy ball right there. Put the other green squishy ball on here. Put the unicorn squishy, the blue bunny squishy, and the green bunny squishy all on this shelf. So we have all this done. I am going to take a quick break and eat a Mr. Good bar. And then we could get back to work. Okay, I'm done with my Mr. Good bar. Now we're going to do these things, which I only have one, which is the one I'm holding in my hand. Now we're gonna do the spin things and these, which I only have one of them too. And that's my chance to show you guys what they do. So you like place them on something and they do this. Oh, well. Let's get back to work. Yes, this keeps snapping. I don't like it. So we're gonna place that, and we're gonna place this. I have 2 cousins named, I have more than 2 cousins, but I have 2 cousins named Jack and TJ. I haven't seen them since like last year or the year before. Yeah, last year. It feels like it's been like 2 years since I've seen them. Well, still I haven't seen them in a very long time. And I literally saw them today, and TJ didn't remember me. It's how me and Jack told him. Now we're gonna do like the lava lamp things. So we only have 2 of those. And now we have, last but not least, the putties. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 putties. So let's do this one. In my ASMR putty video, the foam beads didn't come inside the slime. It came with like a bag and you had to put it in. Oh wait, I just noticed I have one more putty, but it's like hard as a rock. But I'm still gonna keep it. But we're gonna keep it safe in this egg that it came inside. Okay. Yeah, don't like the bad words back there. It's just the movie. So we actually have 8 putties. Okay, I'm putting on the ones in the containers in like rainbow order, see? Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all. By the way, when I leave, I'm gonna eat some more candy, so yeah. Hope you had fun. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and bye. Love you. Bye.